dive deep into the Constitution. I think the constitutionality of this is very clear reading through it. In the 70s, the court reasoned that if Congress may withdraw from the states the authority to make certain decisions, there would be little left of the states' separate and independent existence or a 10th Amendment at all. So the really question is, where do you draw the line? Now, Mr. King has already talked about he doesn't like what the voters did in California. I get that. Several members of this committee were opposed to that bill, but the voters of California spoke on the issue. Now, he doesn't like the gestation crates in Arizona either. Look, I get that too. And he probably doesn't like the ones in Florida. Those will be next, or you can work out a separate deal with him on it. Gestation crates, that's an issue in Florida, Colorado, a number of different states have already passed that. But what about everybody else? What if he doesn't like maple syrup? You guys going to work out a deal with him? Kosher foods? You better talk to Mr. King, set up an appointment, and see if you can work out something for your state on kosher foods. I mean, the list goes on and on. Timber, importing bees, raw milk, a whole bunch of states have issues with raw milk. If you left it up to Mr. King, he'll work it out with you. Look, I've been doing this for a while. I believe you vote on it. If you don't like it, you put it out there, you vote on it. You don't work a deal late after midnight as this clock continues to wind down, or later in the day because next day because you wanted to work a special deal for your state. Stand on the Constitution. Stand on states' rights issues. And if you don't like what's happening in your state, go back and fight it in your state. But to undermine all of these various laws and all of these various states and hope that you can make a deal with one member of a committee is not the way that this body was set up to exist. I yield back.
Gentleman yields back. I yield back. Mr. Chairman, I believe